First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 52 daily score booster questions. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Let's get started with the simplifications. First question, 53% of 900. Percentage and double zeros are cancelled. So 53 9 times. 9 3 times is 27, 9 5 times 45, 47. So 477 plus 7 square, which is 49. Minus question mark goes this side with plus. Here 125 divided by 5 means 5. 25. 25 minus 8, which will be 17. 17 9 times 153. 153 comes this side with minus 153. So we left with 16 minus 3, 13. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 minus 5, which will be 7. And 4 minus 1, 3. 373 equals to x. So answer is 373. Option C is our answer. Next, second question. 17 divided by 23 into 345. 23 1 times is 23 and 115 means 5 times. 17 15 times is 255 minus root x minus 185. Minus 185 means 0 70. Okay, we get 70 minus root x equals to percentage and double zeros are cancelled. 11 4 times 44. This 44 comes this side and this goes there, and the root x equals to 70 minus 44, which will be 26. So x value is 26 square, which is 676. Answer is 676. Option A is our answer. Okay. Next, third question. 4 power x equals to 5 3 times 15. 15 plus root over 289, which means 17. This will be 15 plus 17 will be 32. 32 into 8 into 4. This is 2 power 5. This is 2 cube. This is 2 square. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 2 power 10. We can write this 2 power 10 as a 2 power 5 into 2. 2 square, which is 4. 4 power 5. Here 4 power x equals to 4 power 5. So x value is a 5. Option D is our answer. Next, fourth question. 3 4 by 7 means 7 3 times 21. 25 by 7 into 4 5 times 20. 21 divided by 5. So this is whole equals to root over 12 20 times will be 240 minus x. So here 7 3 times 5 5 times 5 3 times 15. This root comes this side with square. 15 square 225. 225 equals 240 minus x. X equals to 15. So answer is x equals to 15. Option B is our answer. Next, fifth question. 125 power of 4 2 times 8 divided by 2 3 times, which will be 6. 8 divided by 6 minus 2 divided by 3. This is 4 divided by 3. So we get 15 125 whole power 2/3. Okay, and this is plus 15 equals to question mark. Here we have 125. We can write this as a 5 cube over 2/3. This 3 and this 3 cancel. 5 square, which is 25 plus 15, which will be 40. So answer is 40. Option E is our answer. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. Now we are going to solve quadratic equations. Quadratic equation, first question. 8x minus 7y equals to minus 40. Here x minus 2y equals to 4. So now we are converting it as into, we multiplying this with 8. 8x 8 2 times 16y, 8 4 times 32. Okay, minus plus minus, these are cancelled. We have 9y equals to this will be 72 minus 72. So y equals to minus 8. First we have x, this one second equation, x minus 2y equals to 4. So in placing this in this one, we get x minus 8 2 times 16 equals to 4. So x value is 20. Now by comparing these two, x is greater than y. Okay, x is greater than y. Now we are going to see second one, x square minus y square equals to 64. So this is one equation, and the another equation is 2x equals to 32 minus 2y. We can write this as 2 into x plus y equals to 32. So x plus y equals to 16. Here we can write a square minus b square as x plus y into x minus y equals to 64. We have x plus y equals to 16. So here we write 16 into x minus y, 64. 16 4 times 64. So we have x minus y value is 4. X plus y value is 16. Here positive value is x. So sum of these two and divided by 2 will be x value. Sum of these 20. 20 divided by 2, 10. 10 is x value. Y value. Difference between these two, which is 12. 12 divided by 2, 6. So x value is 10, y value is 6. Now comparing these two, we get x is greater than y. Question number 3. 2x square minus 18x plus 16 equals to 0. 2 16 times is 32, and we need to get 18. So the roots are 16 and 2, and both the roots are positive because of minus and plus signs. Okay, next here 72. 9 8 times is 72, and the roots are in positive, and by here we need to make the base equal, so we need to multiply this with 2. We get 16 plus 18. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Next, fourth question. In fourth question, it is given that x square minus 2 plus root 5 x plus 2 root 5. So the roots are 2 and root 5. Combining these two, we get 2 plus root 5. Okay. So these are the roots. So minus and plus means the roots are in positive. And the second equation, here we have root 5. So we are dividing 20 with 5, we get 4. So we need to find the roots for 4, and we need, by adding the roots, we need to get the value of 5. 4 1 times is 4, 5, 4, and sum of these two we get 5. And here we have root 5, so we have placed root 5 in addition to it. Okay, next, now we need to compare this one. Before comparing, we need to square these numbers. 2 square 4. This is 5 square means 5. This is squaring, this means 16 5 times 80, and 1 square 1 into 5 root 1 into root 5 square means 5. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Next, last one, fifth question. Here we have x square minus 27x plus 170 equals to 0. 170 means 17 10 times, minus and plus, so the roots are in positive. Here 360, 20 18 times is 360, and we got 38. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Now we are going to see wrong number series. Wrong number series, first question, 120 480 60 640 64 768. Here it is divided into 4 times, and it is divided by 8 times. Here it is divided by 10 times. Here it is into 12 times. So here there is a mismatch. Let it be divided by 6 times and divided into 8 times. If we divide this with 6 times, we get 80 here. 80 into 80. 80 into 8 times will be 640. So our wrong number is 60. Next, second question. Here 1123, 1180, 1243, 1306, 1371, 1438. Let's see the differences. Here the difference is 7 and 57. Here the difference is 3, 6, 63. Here the difference is 3 and 63. Here the difference is 5, 65. Here the difference is 7, 67. So these are in odd number sequence. These two are missing. So this is our wrong number. These are wrong in between them. So this is our wrong number. Next, third question. 306, 272, 240, 225. These numbers are familiar to me as this is 13 12 times. This is 14 13 times. But this is 15 into 15 times. This is 15 into 14 times. 16 into 15 times. This is 16 into 15 times. This is 17 into 16 times. 18 into 17 times. So these are immediate numbers multiplication, but this one is wrong. So our wrong number is this one. Instead of this one, we need to get 15 14 times, which is 210. So instead of 225, we need to get 210. Okay, 210 as our answer. Next, fourth question. 20, 33, 50, 70, 96, 125. Here we see the difference of 13, difference of 17, difference is 20, difference is 26. Here the difference is 4 plus 29, 25, 29. So these are prime numbers. So it must be the prime numbers. The prime number, it must be 23 and 19 and 23. So these two are wrong numbers. So this is our wrong number. Okay. Next, fifth question. 3, 143, 483, 1023, 1763, 2713. Here the difference is 140. Or else, wait a second. These numbers are familiar to me as this is 2 square minus 1, means 4 minus 1. This is 12 square minus 1. This is 22 square minus 1. This is 32 square minus 1. This is 42 square minus 1. This must be 52 square minus 1. 52 square value is 2704. Minus 1, we get 2703, not 2713. So this is our wrong number. Okay. Now we are going to see missing number series. Missing number series, first question. Question mark 2235, 2170, 2245, 2180, and 2255. Here minus 30 plus 35 65. Here plus 30 plus 45 75. Minus 65 plus 75. So here it must be plus 75. So minus 75 to this one will be 2160. So 2160 is our answer. Option C is our answer. Second question. Second question. Question mark, comma 172, 215, 262, 315, 374. Here we have a difference of 28 and this is 13, 43. Difference of 43. Here the difference is 7 and 4, 47. Here the difference is 3 and 5. Here the difference is 5, 9 and this is 5, 59. So these are prime numbers. Here the difference must be 41. So 41 less to this one will be 131. So answer is option E, 131 is our answer. Next, third question. Third question, 31, 60, 118, 234, 466 dash. Here the difference is 29. Here the difference is 58. Here the difference is 116. So these are into 2 times. 29 2 times is 58, 58 2 times is 116. So it must be 232. 234 plus 232 is equals to 466. So it must be 464. So sum of these two, 10, 12, 13, 8, 9, 930. So answer is 930. Option A is our answer. Next, fourth one, 598 dash 360, 268, 194, 138. Here the difference is minus 8 minus 3, 56. Here the difference is 6 plus 68, which is 74. Here the difference is here we left with 32, so 92. So double difference of this two are 18. Here also 18. So the next 18, which will be 0, 10, 11, 110. So the difference between these two is 110. So 360 plus 110, which will be 0, 7, 4, 470. Option B is our answer. So option B is our answer. Next, fifth question, 10, wait a second, fifth question, 10, 14, 41, 57 dash 218. Here the difference is 4. Here the difference is 27. Here the difference is 16. This is 2 square, 3 cube, 2. This is 4 square. Next one must be 5 cube, which is 125. 57 plus 125, which will be 182. So answer is 182. Option D is our answer. Next, we are going to see inequalities. Inequalities, first question. For this concept, we using the flow method. If we see a symbol like this, the flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, the flow from this side to this side. Let's understand through the questions directly. First one, the flow from F to E with everywhere equals to. From F we can able to reach to D, but cannot able to reach to E. So first conclusion is false. Second conclusion, the flow from E to F to E. From F we can reach to D, but we cannot able to reach to E. So second conclusion is also false. Here F is greater, here is also F is greater. So the answer for this one is neither nor only. Neither nor. Okay, next, second question, the flow from R to N. From R there is no flow. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from S to N. From S we can reach to R, but we cannot able to reach to N. So second conclusion is false. Now we are going to see question number 3. The flow from B to D. From B we can reach to A. From A we can reach to D. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from A to O. From A we can reach to C. From C there is no flow to O. So second conclusion will be false. Now we are going to see question number 4. The flow from M to R. From M we can reach to N and Q. From Q we cannot able to reach to R. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from S to Q. From S we can reach to R. From R we can reach to Q. So second conclusion will be true. Next, fifth question, the flow from N to S. From N we can reach to Q. From Q we can reach to S. So first one is possible. If first one is possible, the second one cannot be possible. Second conclusion will be false. Okay. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Wait a second. Syllogisms. Syllogisms, first question. Only a few. Wait a second. Only a few gate is window. No curtain is window. Some pillow is a curtain. Let's see conclusion. Some pillow can be windows. Some part of pillow can share with window. Yes, it is possible. So first conclusion is true. Second conclusion. Some gate is not curtain. Here we say not. So we check all gate can be curtain. All gate can be placed inside curtain. It is not possible because of this part. So all case fails means some not case will be true. Next, second question. Only hydrogen is nitrogen. So nitrogen is inside hydrogen and doesn't share with anything except hydrogen. Some hydrogen is oxygen. Some sodium is oxygen. Let's see conclusions. Some sodium can be nitrogen. Some part of sodium is sharing with the nitrogen. Nitrogen shares only with hydrogen but none of the others. So first one is false. Second conclusion. Some hydrogen can be sodium. Some part of hydrogen can share with the sodium and it is possibility. So we can share some part with the sodium. So second conclusion will be true. Next, third question. No bottle is a bag. Some bag is a box. Only box is tiffin. Tiffin is inside box and doesn't share with anything except a box. Conclusions. No tiffin is a bottle. Tiffin doesn't share with anything except a box. So we cannot able to share some part between these two. Some case fails means no case will be true. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion. Some bottle is box. Bottle sharing some part with the box. No. Second conclusion will be false. Next, fourth question. Fourth question. Only sweater is frock. Only sweater is frock. So frock is inside a sweater and doesn't share with anything except a sweater. Some sweater is a pants. Only a few shari is a pant. Sari. Let's see conclusions. All sari can be pants. All sari can place inside pants as it is possible. So first conclusion is true. Second conclusion. Some frock is pant. Some frock can share with the pant. It is not possible because the frock only shares with the sweater. So second conclusion will be false. Fifth question. Some 8 is 9. Some 8 is 9. Some 9 is 1. No 6 is 1. Let's see conclusion. Some 9 is not 6. We see not here. So we check all 9 can be 6. All 9 can place inside 6. It is not possible. All case fails means some not case will be true. So first conclusion is true. Second conclusion. Some 8 is 1. Some part of 8 is sharing with 1. No. So second conclusion is false. Now we are going to see a reasoning puzzle. This is a reasoning puzzle. Here it is given that 8 persons are taking seminars one after another. Only 3 persons are taking the seminar between V and P. So let's note them as only 3 persons take seminar between P and V. T takes the seminar 2 persons before P. T takes the seminar before 2 persons P before P. S takes the seminar 3 persons after T. S takes 3 persons after T means 1 or 2. This is the place for S. So this is the sequence. Next, U takes the seminar immediately after S. So U place is here. Only 2 persons were taking the seminar between R and U. R and U only 2 persons. So according to this, we can place R either here or else 1, 2, R. So we have 2 possibilities here. Next one, Q was taking 2 persons before R. Q 2 persons before R means this one. So R dash Q. R, and this is a place for Q. Okay. Next, W was taking the seminar after Q. W was taking after Q, but not the last. W was not the last one. So Q after W. So this is the place for W here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. According to this, we can write 1, 2, 3. This is place for V. So after Q, we can write W. W is not the last one. So this is the solution of our puzzle. Okay. Now let's see the questions that are asked. How many persons take the seminar before V? Before V, 7 persons taking the seminar. Option D is our answer. Next, second question. As many persons taking seminar between Q and dash. Q and dash as between U and dash respectively. Q and R. Q and R 1 person. U and W. No person in between them. So first one not. Q and U. Q and U 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people. U and S. No. S and Q and S. Q and S 3 people. U and T 1, 2, 3 between U and T also. So option C is our answer. Next, third question. Which of the following people was taking the seminar 5 persons after R? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. V. Option E is our answer. Next, fourth question. 4 of the 5 are alike. So option A, Q and T, immediate persons. R and P, immediate persons. P and S, immediate. W and V, immediate. T and S are not immediate. So option E is our answer. Next, how many persons were taking the seminar before U and T? Seminar between U and T. U and T, 1, 2, 3. 3 people. Option B is our answer. By this, we have completed our today's daily score buster questions. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.